Welcome to Wall Street Syndicate, where we don't chase stocks, we find them every day. We uncover high conviction buying opportunities, breakout setups, and hidden gems before the crowd catches on. If you guys are ready to stay one step ahead of the market, make sure you guys come through, show your love, hit that subscribe button. And now let's find the stock that I have for you all today. I think you guys can already see it in the background of the chart, but nevertheless, we're going to talk about it because the stock is trying to make all-time highs. And as it does, we at least want to ride on this market pause in order to participate in the gains. Would you agree? Once I show you the things that I'll show you about this particular stock, you guys may say, man, it does look like you want to go higher. Let me show you what I got. In 3, 2, 1. IMVT. Yes, that is the name of the company, IMVT. The ticker symbol is IMVT. And look what happened today. The stock actually broke out of its consolidational trading range that it's been on for like 2 months. It is up 4.08% to end the day. Now, the reason why we're talking about this stock is because IMVT is, for one, in a very, very strong trend. The stock doesn't want to come down. Every time the stock does go down, someone comes in and buys it back up, and price continues to go higher. That's the reason IMVT was just consolidating this whole time. Now you get the idea of what people were doing because price finally went up. This whole time people were buying because this day today. This day would not have happened if these people wasn't buying the whole time. Now they're like, I'm glad there's no more sellers in this price range. So now let's push up the price so that we can get more sellers. That's what's going to happen. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to show you where we suspect these buyers to be. That's our first thing we always try to do, is we need to figure out, okay, where are these people at? Because if we're looking for the stock to continue to go higher in IMVT, then we want to ensure that there's at least some levels of buyers protecting us if price goes down. So we're going to go ahead and look at this on the 11-hour chart to figure out, okay, where are these buyers at? And that's one. I think those are probably the most two important buy pockets right there for IMVT. All right, so now let me clean this chart because it's getting kind of confusing. And we're going to place one down here. Now we're going to run it all the way back. Okay. To where the last time the stock was having problems and issues, and we're going to mark that area as not buy pockets but sell pockets, right? Real simple. It's not hard. These are where the sellers are. And then after that, this is where the all-time high sellers are back in 2020. Believe that? We're about to see price test a level that it hasn't seen since 2020, 6 years ago. Let's run it back so you guys can see where our problems are. Right there. And all the way up there around 52 bucks. That's where we're going to try to target. All right. Real simple, real easy. Here's another area of buying that we're going to target just in case the sellers come in. We want to make sure that these buyers have our back. If they hold price on these pockets, that's good. If they crater and break through these pockets, that's bad. We're going to have to get about our prediction. Now, let me go ahead and put this up here. We're going to run this down. Let's do it right around here. And our targets, first one, it's going to be at that first sell pocket. You guys remember I told you, like $44 to 46, almost 47. That's 9 3/4. Then our next target is going to be all the way up here, 52 to 53.76, close to all-time highs. That's 26.25% move higher. Now we're going to watch this on the daily chart. So when we do come back and check out the performance, we'll know the precise time frame that we was watching this market. There it is. Now we put this in the books, we save it, and we'll come back and see what's going on. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.